Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's painting, I received a request to use three colors, which were red, orange, and black, and one color of my choosing. And the color I chose was 24 karat gold extreme by Deco Art. So the red that I'm using is a combination of Hypo red and Bordeaux red. The orange is Pebeo iridescent orange yellow, and my black is Deco Art Metallics Obsidian, and I chose 24 karat gold because that makes everything better. So I'm gonna get set up, and today I will be using a gallery wrap level 2 canvas, 16 by 20 inches, and I'm flooding my canvas right now with a Amsterdam buff titanium white. And what I'm doing, I'm just getting a good spread for coverage before I add a tiny bit more paint, and then I'm going to be spinning it out just to make sure I have a thin layer, because I don't intend to spin this after I'm done. By the way, I am doing a Dutch vine pour. That's the technique that I decided to do with these colors. And the pouring medium that I am using today is 1 part heavy gloss gel medium by Golden and 5 parts Floetrol and about 2 parts water. So when I mix my paint, I used about 3 parts of the pouring medium to 1 part paint, and I added additional water to get it to the thin consistency that I'm going to need for a Dutch pour. So I decided to go down with red first, then the black and orange. And I knew that I was going to be adding a little bit more red, so I went down with the gold next and more red. And after that, I decided to add just a few little drizzles of more black because I really love contrast. I love to see it. So I'm just adding a tiny bit more of the base color around my lines there to aid with blowing out. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of music and let you guys check this one out. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. And if you know anybody who loves art, feel free to share. Okay, I hope you guys have a very beautiful day, and I'm gonna see you later. And later this week means Saturday. I kind of got off schedule because I had some things going on, but we're gonna get back on schedule next week with posting on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay. See you later.